Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget review. Today I have got something sleek, smart and super affordable for your smart living. I am talking about this sleek, smart and super affordable, the EasyCam Wi-Fi home camera by CP Plus. So let's unbox it and see what this little eye can do. So before starting the video, if you are new here in my channel, so please do subscribe and click that bell icon. So let's get started. So here is our box, EasyCam Wi-Fi home camera, and the model number is CPE29A, a full HD camera. Special features of this consist of 1080 pixel full HD video, human body detection, supports ONVIF and abnormal sound detection also, and inbuilt siren privacy mode. You can see it has a QR code provided for downloading the EasyCam app. So let's unbox it. Inside the box, we get this camera unit, a power adapter, and a power cable, and a mounting kit, and some nickels to drill in the wall, a manual. The build quality of this Wi-Fi camera by CP Plus is quite solid, and on the back you can see it has provided Type-C port for charging this camera and reset button also. And here it has inbuilt speakers so it can record the sound. Yes, the camera is also quite big to catch your whole room. About its features, it has 1080 pixel full HD or 2 MP, means it has a crisp detailed day-night video stream at 20 fps, and it has a 360 pan and tilt that it has automatically rotates up to 355-degree horizontal and round 50 to 70 degree vertical, ideal for covering your entire room. And it has also motion detection and auto tracking. It can detect movement and follows the action, handy and effective. It has a two-way audio that we can easily talk and listen through this built-in mic and speaker, perfect for greeting visitors or checking in notepads, you can see. And it has also infrared LEDs that ensures visibility even in complete darkness also. And here is a mounting kit. You just insert here and you can see it will easily rotate and tilt also. And the best part is we can also use Alexa and Google Assistant for viewing live feed through the simple voice commands on smart displays or TV. Now setup is quite simple. Just download the EasyCam app by using this QR code that is provided on the box. You can just download from Apple Store or Google Play, compatible with iOS or Android, and plug in and reset. Power it using this included adapter. If it doesn't blink, use the reset pin. Here you can see it has a reset button. Just click this so it will reset for a few seconds until a beep sound. Then the next step is you can set up by using this EasyCam app. I have already made a video on this installation, so go and check it out. Now let's see its live demo. Here is our live footage, guys. You can see we can view live footage, and we can also rotate the camera with 360-degree pan and tilt. We can also talk through two-way audio and enable motion detection alerts. You can also record this video to SD card also. About its pros and cons, it has a sharp 1080 pixel video, smooth pan or tilt functionality, and it is supported local storage by inserting micro SD cards and voice control convenience. But about its cons, it only works on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, so no 5 GHz support, and it has also lacks cloud recording unless added via app. Okay, so overall guys, this CPE29A EasyCam Plus brings compelling features at an affordable price point, perfect for anyone wanting smart home protection without breaking the bank. Crisp video, auto tracking and app plus voice control, definitely a smart buy. If you enjoyed this unboxing and review, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more smarter living gadgets. Also tell me in comments which features impressed you the most.